Dave, let's go to you and talk about Verizon once again.
Sure.
First of all, thank you and all of you for being there and supporting this remote environment over the last 2 years. I think it's just amazing how that was somewhat flawless, that we were able to spin on a dime and have millions of people operating in a different kind of model, and that didn't become the secondary story, so to speak. But you're in a unique position there to see a lot of things across the spectrum. What are you seeing there, Dave?
Yeah. Hey, good afternoon, Luke. Thanks for the opportunity and appreciate the question. It's interesting. Really, everybody has touched already on a lot of those things that we're seeing that are critical. And the interesting thing we're seeing is I see it from the tactical edge, the operational environment, all the way back to strategic headquarters, right? It's being infected, impacted, not just what I think they were mentioning earlier relative to the cyber and that chain across it, but also from a standpoint of engagement. Previously to this current job that I'm in, I was around data management, data governance, and data is so vitally important, right? It goes over the network, but it's really one of our critical assets. And I think I've seen a lot of that. Obviously, the concern with remote working and remote operations. How do we secure that information? How do we still get all our mission critical people engaged and involved? And it has evolved over the last year, right? We're 2 years into this environment that we're currently in, and we're seeing it as we start to, I'll be cautious of the word coming out of it, but let's put it in context, right? We're moving into a different environment and we're transitioning in some aspects. But what we're seeing is that still that level of engagement and collaboration, at the same time ensuring that we're securing our vital things, two things, people and data. And I think we're seeing a lot of that. And one of the things that we do specifically, I think is a little unknown, we do a lot of the managed services around cyber and securing and the reliability of the network. And I think that's critical. The infrastructure is so vital to have a reliable, secure network, as everyone I think would agree here. But I think the other piece is that data piece. And I think that's the one thing that as we go forward, not only preventing these attacks from outside, inside, but it's also ensuring the house is in order and the house is secure. So as long as we can be a force multiplier to support the government, we're happy to be here. Thanks.